Welcome to iFixScreens Commack. Bring any electronic equipment to us, and we'll fix it. We offer a variety of services and parts, including replacement screens, batteries, cameras, and data recovery. Whether you have an iPhone 12, iPhone 11, MacBook Air, iPad Air, Samsung Galaxy S20, PlayStation 5, or any other gadget, our authorized specialists can offer you first-rate maintenance and repair services. We are committed to being your go-to local repair shop, and promise that your device will be back to peak performance as soon as possible. Because of this, you can trust that iFixScreens Commack services are fully insured and hassle-free at all times. The iFixScreens Commack location is here to assist you with any broken electronic device. We offer the most affordable repair prices in town and a full 180-day warranty on any items we replace. So, whether you need a simple repair or something more extensive, our professionals are here to assist you. You can reach us at 631-670-7272 if you have any inquiries regarding our services or would like to schedule an appointment. Alternatively, you may check out our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/commack-ny. We're excited to take care of your electronic devices.